Alright guys, this is David with you again, and on this specific dryer the customer said that the dryer was making a thump noise, which in the earlier video I thought maybe it may be the roller was causing the issue. And in this common dryer, it's the same way like we break them down in all of them. You got your two screws that's right here. You're going to pull your top forward. You're going to have your 5/16 screws that's sitting behind here, and that's going to allow you to pull the front off the dryer and allow you to observe what's going on around the felt and around the rollers. And so this little thing right here, I reckon this is a piece of an earring. This is what was causing the thump. It got stuck in the felt. So sometimes jobs can be easy and sometimes they can be simple, but you never know. We run into all kind of things getting caught in dryers. Alright guys, thank y'all for checking this video out. Please like, follow, and subscribe. You can also go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to it too. Thank you.